smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done. As you can see, my kitchen's a mess. This is after the school run. I hardly managed to get anything done today other than work-wise. So this is all built up. I'm just showing you the before and I really didn't know where to start, but sometimes you just need a kick up the backside, and that's exactly what I'm giving you today, and keeping you company also, because I do think mom life sometimes is lonely. We spend a lot of the time by ourselves doing the things that we don't really want to do, but we have to do them anyway. So I'm just giving you some motivation, some inspiration, and I'm just keeping you guys company. Also had nothing in for dinner, so I ordered a quick whoosh. Right, you'll have to excuse the lighting because it's so dark in here. I've put my ring light up. We've got nothing in for dinner, nothing. So I just did a quick little whoosh. I'd probably spend the same on a takeout, and I don't want to eat crap food. You have to excuse the dishwasher is on the go, and I've just decided to wash up. Do you want to say hello? 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 He does say hello, I swear. Come say hello then. Say hello. No? You're not going to say hello? He's so big now. Right, get down then because there's food up here. I'll give you a treat in a minute. I normally pick him up and give him a treat. Literally all I got. But what we are doing tonight is we're going to do like fancy hot dogs with French fries and like caramelized onions and bits and bobs, and I was also going to do like some nachos with them as well. That's why we've got these, and I will have a lot of salad with mine. Still trying to lose weight. And we got these for pudding. Excuse the side, but I haven't finished cleaning yet. As you saw, I didn't expect it to come that fast. I just got these as well. Those were only £1.95, and these for in the morning. But yeah, that's it. I think it was about £25 actually that it came to. I know it's not like really clean healthy because there's fries and nachos and things, but the teenagers love it, and I just sometimes just need that like nice comfort food. So I just thought I would vlog tonight and keep you guys company, because sometimes it can be lonely when you're doing the mom life things. And yeah, I just thought I'll give you some dinner ideas, some cleaning motivation, and keep you guys company while you're probably figuring out what to do for dinner as well. Sometimes I just always overthink it, that it's got to be a perfect healthy balanced meal. I'm really trying. If you've been a follower for a long time, you'll know I keep saying it. I'm trying to let go of perfectionism because it ruins my life. Wow. So this, and please don't judge guys, this is a realistic burnt out mom routine, evening clean with me, whatever you want to call it. She's having a bit of pad time. I needed that space to just get things done tonight and put it away. I needed a quick easy dinner, so I'm just popping the sausages in the air fryer to cook rather than standing over the stove watching them on a pan, because I'll probably burn them. I'm going to let them cook while I'm washing up and getting everything else done that I need to. Air fryer to the rescue. And let me know how you guys are, and if you like videos like this then I will do more of them. I just wanted to keep it real, keep it simple, and just show you guys like a normal, mundane, boring night in the life. I don't know what to call it. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a cuppa and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution.
Also, I do apologise for my rolls all on show. You know when you lose a little bit of weight and you feel a bit nice, you start wearing different clothes. And now watching this video back, I can just see all my back rolls. Oh, and this is when I just realised that I left the blender after I'd washed up. So I'm just going to let that soak while I wipe the sides. And this is me showing you that they're not clean at all. And at this point, I was just a little bit fed up. So I'm going to crack on with dinner. It's a super simple one tonight, and please don't judge for me using multiple air fryers. I'm going to light a candle to try and get myself in a nice mood and carry on.
I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble.
And fries. I've just moved the rest of the sausages into there because they're nearly done. So keep them going and
See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant. All the words you never said. All the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble.
So that's dinner sorted. I swear the candle helped. It made me sort of romanticize whatever I was doing. And I thought I'd just leave this little quote for you guys of what romanticizing your life is. That really helped me get in a better mood. Just having some cuddles and reading stories with Hope downstairs, and then we're going to go upstairs and get her into bed. She's been really good just lately, getting into a routine, and I love this little story nook that I made for her. If you haven't seen her bedroom makeover, then go and watch that. I'll link it down below. I'm putting her uniform ready for the morning. This makes me feel super organised, and just saying goodnight to her. I shut the door, but I've got a camera in there that she can talk to me and I can talk to her if we need to, because I'm going downstairs to blow my bed up. Yes, I sacrificed my bed and my bedroom and gave it to our oldest son. And you know what? It's not as bad as you might think. And this was the mess that I created after dinner. Do we clean it up now? Hello. Hello. You hear him saying hello? You okay? Do we clean it up now and thank myself in the morning? Look at him. What are you doing? Or just go to bed. But if I go to bed and leave this mess out, future Jess will be so mad at me for not taking 5 to 10 minutes to just do this for myself and wake up to a nice tidy kitchen. Not a mess. Ugh. Let's do it. So obviously I can snap it away and make it look good on camera, but I just wanted to really share the reality with you guys. Please excuse my my shorts, they're way too big for me. I've lost 2.5 stone now, so it's took me like 2 years to lose that much. It's really frustrating, but yeah, it's a lot of my clothes are too big for me, and then the top that I've got on is just showing all my rolls. But anyway, I'm just waffling on as always. I'm just telling you, I'm not going to put the hoover on because I don't want to wake Hope up. I'm just getting myself some nice ice water in my bottle, and then I am going to go to bed. And I also popped Hope's breakfast on the side ready for tomorrow. Everything there, her cereal that she picked, her bottle ready, and her vitamins, just to make my morning a lot easier. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.